Okay, so another option of RevSorf class. So ganiha is you have this one entity and then another line. No? So we can fuse this one class objects as one entity. No? So we edit, enter, select, and then join. Select this one and then enter. No? Then enter. Okay, so that's one entity class. So sometimes you cannot make a one entity because there are gaps or may mga lapas-lapas na lines. So dapat you should be able to find that close the gaps and then proper meeting of the lines. So here, so we'll make another line class from here and then going to this siyang direction, enter. So we have this line. So RevSurf, enter. So we're going to select this close entity, then enter, RevSurf, enter, select this one, and then you're asked to select the axis of revolution, enter, then click that point, and then click this point, and then type 360, enter. So the same class, the same outcome, So we'll try, we will use example 90, RevSurf, enter, select the close entity, select the axis of revolution, then click the points, the 2 points, then let's say 90, enter. Okay, so we'll try to orbit, this will happen like class. So either close entity or just katong ganiha nga darira ang naka one entity, mukha lang gyapon siya, the same effect, Okay, so Control C, balik ko na to class, Just explore, RevSurf, enter, select, click that point, and then click that point, and then 360, enter. Well, basically, if it's complete degrees, 360, it's the same naman. The same outcome. Okay?